Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator app to new device. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So for this you just need to uninstall this from here and install it again on your new device, and just go to settings option here called, you don't have to uninstall it till now, just have to go on the app management option here. We will go on app management and find the Authenticator app in app management of our mobile phone or your mobile phone app management. So now this is our authenticator. You just have to allow all the permission here and clear cache and delete all the data from your mobile phone currently where this authenticator is logged in. So just input allow all the permission in your new mobile phone, and now this AutoCAD app indicator is ready to set up in new mobile phone. So this is the way how you can transfer Microsoft Authenticator app to new device. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.